Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of your review channel, and today we're looking at a Dyson V11 torque drive. It's a new vacuum cleaner for me on the Dysons. I've had different Dysons in the past. This one here is supposed to be very advanced, around an hour of runtime approximately. Smart technology all built into it. Do a quick unboxing. Follow me along. I'm going to do a whole in-depth review. I'm going to be testing it in real life, but for now, let's just do the opening, see what it looks like. Here is the box, how it came. Just like this here. Let's take a quick look at it to see what's in the box. We'll score real quickly. If you guys have any questions or any comments, leave down below in the comment box. I will get back to ASAP, as always. All right. A quick guide here. You can just scan this QR code right here. User manual, everything's all in here. I guess that's how they do it now, so it's all in here. And what's in the box? All right, so here we go. So like I said, we have the Dyson, and I've been a big fan for Dyson for years. Some of their older vacuums I really wasn't a big fan of. Now the newer ones, hopefully they're getting better and better. Better capacity and better battery life, and that's really what we're all interested in. Here are some of the accessories. Take a quick look at these real quick while we're here. Let's pop these open. And like I said, don't forget to follow along on my channel, and I'll do a full test on hardwood floors, on carpet. We'll do a dump test. We'll do everything. We'll see how everything performs. I do like the tube. So the tube is translucent, which is actually really cool. I like this purple. Very sharp. I like this a lot. Dyson products are always well made, super strong and tough, as we all know. Nice. I love that. I like this purple a lot. This is really cool. And then we have of course, this is the brush, and also they have a dust. This is like a soft. For I would say like lamp shades, dusting shades, things like that I would use this for. Then it also has a hard crevice as well, and it has a little thing on the bottom here to get like some of the stains out. Not so much stains, but like if you got something stubborn, that'll help rub that out. Then you got the vacuum itself. So I like this. Again, well made. This is very common in a lot of the Dysons. So about the quality I mean, Dyson's quality is always really good. So this is adjustable. You can see here. So you can have the adjustability to do cleaning with that, which is kind of cool. I like that. Okay. And look at this. I like the color of this thing. If you like this color, let me know. Leave some comments down below if you love the color so far. I'm definitely enjoying the presentation. The unboxing to me is just as good as the actual product. Sometimes it's so cool to have that experience, you know. So let's put that down there as well. I'm not sure what this is. I think this is an accessory holder of some sort. Must maybe snap on here. I don't know. I mean, if I had to guess, it looks like that. Yep, probably. So we'll just take that off for now. Put that to the side. A crevice tool. So we have the purple crevice tool and the regular crevice tool. What's the difference of these two tools? I don't know. Maybe it's just in this packaging how they do it, which is actually really nice. It's a little bit longer, a little bit beefier. If you can see the difference there. So I see that. Hey guys, one more thing I want to talk to you about. Remember that purple, this crevice tool I was telling you about? This lights up. I didn't realize that. I was just taking a quick look at the box and saying, what? This lights up. Check this out. I'm going to plug it in here. Watch this. That way you can see what you're cleaning. That's kind of cool. That's a really cool feature. I didn't know this even had that. We have the cradle. Here is all the accessories in the cradle, the mounting screws, and this is standard cradle setup. And if you had a Dyson in the past, they're pretty easy to set up and pretty easy to do. You just snap these in here together. 1, 2, and that's pretty easy to do. Get it up, and you get your Dyson. You get to take these screws out, mount those in there. So that's easy. There is another tool, dusting tool, or upholstery tool to clean pillows, things like that. So we have 2 soft bristles, which is nice. I like that. Let's get this out of the way. There is another tool, dusting tool, or upholstery tool to clean pillows, things like that. So we have 2 soft bristles, which is nice. I like that. Let's get this out of the way. There's a lot of stuff in here, guys. Here is a harder brush. So this is a hard. I would use this one for the car and crevices and things like that. So this is a hard brush. Okay, that's on there. Mini power head. I love these mini power heads. Cleaning your car, upholstery. It's got these. This is tangle screw on here, so again, so it won't tangle with the hair, which is very cool. And I think the head might have that as well. I have to check that. So that's really nice. Put that to the side. There's a whole lot of stuff in here, guys. Okay, here's the vacuum itself. The battery is it a fixed battery or is it a replacement battery? Oh, cool. So it's got a replacement battery, which is nice. So you can get extra batteries and snap and go. So that's really nice. So I love these batteries. They're expensive, but it's a nice option. So if you have an extra battery, you don't run out of power while you're vacuuming. It's pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Easy dumping. So this is how you dump them. Easy dumping. Good size canister. And it's got some weight to it, which is good. You know what I mean? I hate those really cheap and flimsy. It's got the filter here. It's got all the accessories all in here, as you can see here. That's the filter. It's got let's see if you can see the front here. Let me get the stuff out of your way here. Okay, guys, I have everything here. I took everything out. It does have the power supply, of course, to charge the phone. Here is everything that's in the kit. You can see here, and here is the actual main head itself. Again, anti-tangle comb, which is what they're calling it, so it won't get tangled. Easy to clean these out, easy to manage at the heads. A good size. It's got the plus and minuses here, which gives you a little bit more, so a little bit more and less suction, depending on hardwood floors or not. It's got a really good feel to it, really strong. So I'll give you a comparison. This is the power head, and this is the small head, so you can see the comparison between the two. So you can see that. So there is quite a bit of a difference between the two different size heads, which is nice. These are all the different accessories, like I told you. Everything's in here. So this is the quick setup here. I'm going to show you also how you set this up. You just touch it once. Hopefully you can see it. This is English. Hopefully we all can see that. Hold your finger down. It's going to give you 3, 2, 1 just to confirm. Yes, English is selected. Fully charged before use. Yes, make sure you do that. Right now it's on medium. Economy, which will actually give you the most time out of it. And then you have boost. So those are your 3 settings. Economy is probably what I'm going to run it on to give the maximum amount of time which you get your hour from. Boost is probably a little bit less, probably like half, and then probably boost is like 20 minutes. I'd imagine. I'm probably guessing that. Good weight to it, feels great. I love this recharge, just removable battery, so you can get extra batteries. Snap and go. All the power. Got a lot of suction, guys. All right, so don't forget to follow, like, and share for the full test. I'm going to do a full test on this. This is just the unboxing. I'm going to do a real life test. We're going to vacuum around the house on the hardwood. We're going to do dump tests on both hardwood and rug, and also we'll do a car too. So we'll do all 3. We'll do a car as well. And we'll see what we get. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoy my tutorials, please let me know down below. It means a lot to me. It helps grow my channel. It helps the algorithm reach other people. So if you do, I would really appreciate that if you can like and share. I also will leave a link down below for this type of vacuum, this Dyson. It's a really nice quality vacuum. I like the Dysons quite a bit. I've had different ones. I have Sharks and Dysons and Electrolux and all kinds of different vacuums, and I keep going back to Dyson. So that does say something. So that's pretty much where I'm at with my, let's call it adventure with my vacuuming. The guys like the vacuum. I don't know why, but we do. All right, I appreciate it as always. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. It's an affiliate link. I do get a small commission. If you go ahead and purchase that, it does help me out, and it would mean a lot to me if you would share this video, like, and comment. It helps the algorithm help me so I can continue helping you. So I hope I brought you some value, I hope I brought you some knowledge, and I hopefully, most importantly, gave you some advice. And that's what I'm here for, to help you out, and that's what it's all about. All right, guys, see you at the next one, and I appreciate your time.